In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uppercase text in Microsoft Word in just 5 minutes. Whether you're drafting a formal document, working on an academic paper, or simply want to emphasize certain sections of your text, Microsoft Word offers a straightforward way to switch from lowercase to uppercase with just a few clicks. Stay with me as I walk you through these easy steps to transform your document in a snap. Let's begin by accessing Microsoft Word on your computer. The journey starts at the Windows Start menu, the gateway to all your applications in Windows. Simply click on the little icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, the one that looks like a window. That's your Start button. Once you've opened the Start menu, you're going to look for Microsoft Word. This is where the search bar comes in handy. It's located right at the top of the Start menu. Click into the search bar and type Word. You don't need to type in the full name Microsoft Word because the search function is pretty smart and will recognize what you're looking for from just Word. After typing, you'll see Microsoft Word appear as an option. Go ahead and click on it to open the application. Easy, right? Now that we have Word open, it's time to either create a new document or open an existing one where you want to change text to uppercase. Toward the top of the MS Word window, click on either blank document to start fresh or select any recent document you've been working on. This will take you to the Word home where all your creative work begins. Let's move on to the core of today's tutorial. Changing your text to uppercase. Start by selecting the text you wish to transform. This can be a single word, a sentence, or entire paragraphs. Just click and drag your cursor over the text to highlight it. Now for the magic touch, after your text is selected, look at the toolbar typically located at the top of your document window. Here you will find an icon that looks like a capital A. This is the Change Case button, a powerful feature hiding in plain sight. Click on this icon and you'll see several options. For our purpose today, you'll select uppercase. This instantly transforms your selected text into all capital letters, giving it the emphasis or the formal touch you desired. And there you have it. You've just learned how to change text to uppercase in Microsoft Word quickly and efficiently. Now let's talk about a couple of tips to keep in mind. First, changing text to uppercase does not alter the text font or styling. So if you need to make further adjustments to suit your document style, feel free to explore the myriad of formatting options available in Word. Second, remember this feature can also be used to change case in reverse, from uppercase to lowercase, or even to capitalize the first letter of every word for titles. This versatility makes the change case feature a powerful tool in your word processing arsenal. And there's a bonus tip. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, Word has you covered. Although there isn't a direct shortcut for toggling to uppercase, you can combine a few keystrokes to get there faster in future. After selecting your text, pressing Alt to activate the ribbon shortcuts, then H for the Home tab, followed by 7, will often get you to the change case feature more quickly. Congratulations! You've taken a simple but significant step towards mastering Microsoft Word. With this knowledge, you can now craft documents with more control over their presentation, making your work stand out, or adhere to specific formatting guidelines with ease. Remember, whether it's for professional editing, academic work, or personal projects, understanding how to efficiently manipulate text in Word can greatly enhance your productivity and the quality of your documents. Be sure to experiment with what you've learned today and see how it can improve your writing projects. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to uppercase text in Microsoft Word. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more comfortable navigating Word's features. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Happy typing!